Hi students, Ms. Miles here. Today, we're going to explore one of the most important parts of personal hygiene, taking care of your smile by brushing your teeth. In this video, you'll discover valuable tips for brushing properly and learn the step-by-step process to keep your teeth clean and healthy. Remember, taking care of your teeth is a big part of staying healthy and feeling great. Let's get started. Taking care of your teeth is one of the most important things you can do for yourself. Good dental care keeps your breath fresh, helps you look your best, and is super important for staying healthy. Make sure to brush your teeth 2 to 3 times a day, but just brushing isn't enough. It's important to do it the right way. Ask your dentist to show you the best way to brush so your teeth stay clean and healthy. Let's learn how to brush your teeth the right way step by step. It's easy and fun. Here's what you need to do. Step 1. Grab your supplies. Get everything you need ready: your toothbrush, toothpaste, and a cup for rinsing. Step 2. Wet your toothbrush. Turn on the sink water and give your toothbrush a little rinse to make it nice and ready. Step 3. Add toothpaste. Squeeze a pea-sized amount of toothpaste onto your toothbrush. You don't need a lot, just enough to clean your teeth. Step 4. Wet the toothbrush again. Give your toothbrush another quick rinse with water to make the toothpaste foamy. Step 5. Brush your teeth. Start brushing. Move the brush in tiny circles on every tooth, and don't forget the front, back, and sides. Brush your gums too, but be gentle. Step 6. Spit and keep brushing. Spit out the toothpaste foam into the sink and keep brushing a little more to make sure your teeth are super clean. Step 7. Rinse your toothbrush. When you're done brushing, rinse your toothbrush under the water to wash away all the toothpaste. Then, put it back where it belongs. Step 8. Fill up your cup and rinse your mouth. Fill your cup with water, swish it around in your mouth, and spit it out into the sink. This helps wash away any leftover toothpaste. Step 9. Clean up. Put away the rest of your supplies so everything is ready for next time. And that's it! You've learned to brush your teeth like a pro. Now your smile will be squeaky clean, healthy, and ready to shine. Here are a few extra helpful tips, students, to ensure you keep your teeth healthy and sparkling by brushing the right way. Make sure to visit your dentist regularly. Your dentist can help you create a simple oral hygiene plan to keep your teeth and gums healthy. They can also do a plaque check to see how well you're brushing and let you know if you need to make any changes. For an extra boost, try using an electric toothbrush. It's great for keeping your gums healthy and clean. All right, students. Now that we've learned some important facts about toothbrushing and gone through the step-by-step process for brushing properly, let's test your knowledge with a few questions to see how much you've learned. Number 1. You do not see your dentist often. What should you do? If you don't see your dentist often, try to schedule a visit as soon as you can. Dentists help keep your teeth and gums healthy by checking for problems and giving you tips on how to take care of them. In the meantime, make sure you're brushing your teeth twice a day and flossing to keep your smile bright and healthy. Number 2, you do not have a good oral hygiene program. What should you do? A good oral hygiene program. You can start one today. Here is a program. Brush your teeth. Brush at least twice a day, in the morning and before bed, using a toothbrush and toothpaste. Floss daily. Floss to clean between your teeth where your toothbrush can't reach. Visit the dentist. Ask your dentist to show you the best way to brush and floss and help you create a plan for healthy teeth. Eat healthy snacks. Choose foods like fruits, veggies, and cheese that are good for your teeth. Number 3. You do not know if you are brushing correctly. What should you do? If you're not sure you're brushing your teeth the right way, don't worry. Here's what you can do. Ask your dentist or a grown-up. They can show you the best way to brush your teeth to keep them super clean. Use a mirror. Watch yourself while brushing to make sure you're cleaning all your teeth. Take your time. Brush for at least 2 minutes to clean every corner of your mouth. Try fun tools. You can use a timer or a toothbrush that lights up to help you brush better. You're doing an awesome job, students. Just 3 more quick questions to go about this lesson on brushing your teeth. Keep it up! Number 1. Keeping your teeth in good shape is called blank care. Keeping your teeth in good shape is called dental care. This means taking care of your teeth, gums, and mouth so they stay healthy and strong. Dental care helps your teeth stay clean, shiny, and ready to chew all your favorite foods. It also keeps your breath fresh and your smile looking great. To practice good dental care, you should brush your teeth at least twice a day, floss to clean between your teeth, and visit your dentist regularly. Just like you take care of your toys or your pets, your teeth need care too, so they can last a long time and help you stay healthy. Number 2. Good dental care is important for blank reasons. Good dental care is important for health reasons. Taking care of your teeth isn't just about having a nice smile. It helps your whole body stay strong and happy. Let me explain why. When you brush your teeth, floss, and visit the dentist, you're helping to keep your mouth clean. A clean mouth means there are fewer bad germs that can cause problems like cavities, tiny holes in your teeth, gum disease, or bad breath. Cavities can make your teeth hurt, and gum disease can make your gums sore and swollen. Ouch! But that's not all. If you don't take care of your teeth, those germs in your mouth can sometimes travel to other parts of your body and make you sick. So keeping your teeth and gums healthy helps keep your whole body healthy too. Think of good dental care like giving your teeth a superhero cape. It keeps them strong and ready to help you eat, speak, and smile every single day. Number 3. Last question, students. Make sure you blank properly. Make sure you brush properly. Brushing your teeth properly is super important to keep them healthy and strong. Brushing isn't just about putting toothpaste on a toothbrush and scrubbing. It's about doing it the right way to make sure every tooth gets clean. Here's why. When you brush your teeth, you're cleaning off tiny bits of food and sticky stuff called plaque. If you don't brush the right way, plaque can build up and cause problems like cavities, holes in your teeth, or gum disease, which makes your gums sore and puffy. You did it, students! You've completed your lesson on brushing your teeth. I hope you discovered something new, and if not, I hope it served as a great reminder of why brushing your teeth is so important. Thank you for learning with me today. Remember, because you joined me in the Miles Ahead classroom, you're already miles ahead. Until next time, bye for now, students.